Hey, what's up guys, hope that all of you are doing well. So there's a new powerful app now available for the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra that you guys might be missing out. So today in this video we will check out that app. So for that you will have to first of all install this Good Lock app from the Galaxy Store or the Play Store app, and after installing it you have to scroll all the way down. Now you have this new app available with the name of Display Assistant. So you can now enhance your display by manage your screen timeout, keep your screen on feature, and multiple other features are now available with this new display assistant. To download it, simply tap on this download option over here. It is 4 MBs in size, and after downloading it, it will automatically install. And once done, you have to go back and scroll all the way up and tap on this display assistant. Now you have to continue and allow some permissions over here. And once done, now you can directly access your display assistant and all these features. So starting off with the first feature, so that is apps screen timeout. So now you can change the screen timeout for different apps. So for example, I will change the screen timeout for this Canva app. After adding it, I will change the screen timeout to 2 minutes for this app. Now if I want to add another specific app screen timeout, so for the Zoom app, I will add a 10-minute screen timeout. So like this, you can add screen timeout for different apps on it. The display will stay on for 30 minutes through this. You can add a quick settings button from here by tapping on it. Now tap on add and a quick settings button will be added in your control panel. From your control panel, you can directly turn this feature on by tapping here. As you can see, this quick settings button is now available, so you can simply turn on or off this feature to keep your screen on for 30 minutes. Now let's move on to the next feature, so that is the brightness limit profile. So there are two profiles available, one is the standard one and the second one is this light one. In the standard one, the brightness will be limited at high temperatures, while in the light one, it will be not limited. So it can drain more battery life in the light one. Now moving on to the next feature, so that is adaptive brightness options. So the speed of the brightness change depends on the surrounding environment, so you can now adjust it to 1x, 2x or 4x. If you want the brightness change speed very quickly, so you can adjust it to 4x. Next up, you can select the apps that you want to run on the standard refresh rate. By simply tapping on this plus icon, then you can select the apps, then tap on add. Now this Canva app will run on standard refresh rate. Talking about the standard refresh rate, so the standard refresh rate is of 60 Hz while the adaptive one is of 120 Hz. Now moving on to the last one, so it is screen curtain. So you can extend your battery life by applying the screen curtain mode when operation is maintained for a long time without viewing the screen. You have to allow some settings for it. First of all, after allowing the notification settings, you can now access this feature. For that, you will have to add a quick setting button in the control panel. Simply tap on this add quick setting option, then add it. Now from the control panel, you can directly access this screen curtain option. As you can see, this is the screen curtain, and to turn back to a normal screen, double tap or tap on any button. So the screen curtain mode will put the screen in the doze state when the app operates for a long time. But keep in mind that screen curtain mode is not available while during calls or playing games. And that's a wrap for today's video. This was the new app available in the Good Lock application, so you can try it out. And if you're new on this channel, so make sure to like and subscribe, as I will keep you updated with the new upcoming updates. Also let me know in the comment section that did you got this update on your device or not yet.